I already started and realized I need to show the folks how our new iron, the Pixie-Ish Micro Flat Iron, works to style short hair and how I personally use it to style my hair. All right, let's get into it. So a little bit about the iron. Here she is right here. It is a 3/10 inch, which is as close as you can get to the Marcel iron flat irons that I use in the salon. This is as close as you can get to something that small that is a plug-in iron and that can be used at home. So that was one of the major things that I wanted to include in my first tool under the Pixieish Beauty tool repertoire or umbrella. I wanted to make sure that it was an iron that was small enough to curl the shortest length of hair. As y'all can see, I don't have a lot of hair. I am all about rocking a pixie cut, so we nailed it with this 3/10 inch size. They also have a titanium plate, which is good for silking and adding shine to the hair without overdoing it with product. I personally use our Pixie Polish as my pre-style prep. It adds sheen to the hair. The oil and the heat adds a really nice gloss, but it also serves as a bomb heat protector. You want to be mindful about the amount of heat that you're using anytime you're heat styling your hair. So I am a stickler for never, when I say never, I mean never, using an iron that does not allow you to regulate the temperature. Our iron has a, can y'all see that? Digital temperature gauge that allows you to take the temp up, take the temp down based on what you need to do with your hair. Some of us who rock short hair don't relax the crown of their hair that often. Not relaxing your hair on top gives you volume, it gives you fullness. For people who are finer in the crown like me, I highly suggest that you don't over relax your hair. So that hair is going to get a little fuzzy quicker. It's great to have an iron like these because I can bump up the heat a little bit to make sure that I am consistent with my entire look. My sides and back are shorter and I relax them more often, like a partial relaxer. So I don't need as much heat to give that a polished or silky look. So I can bump my heat down in order to protect my hair and still get a uniform look. So it's so important to make sure that you are using an iron that allows you to use varying heat temperatures based on what you need to do. So now that we got all of that established, I'm just going to go in and start my next row. I did this row already. I'm going for just a silky, smooth, light, kind of effortless look. I don't want to be super curly. So I'm just taking my iron in and allowing the heat and the product to create a smooth little silky curl. I primarily like to wear my hair flat, so you'll see me kind of going in and mashing the curl down. I don't like height in my hair. From time to time I'll wear it a little funky, a little flippy, but overall I prefer for my hair to be flat. Even if I curl it, I still want it to be curled but flat. I love how small the iron is, how small the plates are. It really helps to get to the roots of the hair so that you don't have a silky curl with a poofy root. Don't nobody want that. So if you're sweating your scalp, or if you're between relaxers, if you are like me, don't relax on the top a lot, or if your hair is just thick in the crown, these are bomb. Making my way around my head, I'm gonna go in and add just a little bit more of my Pixie Polish. Love the Pixie Polish because it is lightweight and not greasy. I don't feel like my hair is weighed down, and it really helps to give me some glide as I'm curling through my hair. So I'm just adding it through. Oh, I can feel the peppermint. It's peppermint based. It has argan oil to help with areas of the hair that need a little help growing. So even running my hand over the hair, I can just tell that that's going to help in getting me a silky finish without like spraying and curling through my hair as I go through. So just taking small sections, taking the iron to the root of my hair and using the barrel to just work my hair around it. When I finish curling my hair, I add a little more of the Pixie Polish. I'm all about black shiny hair, and because I primarily curl like this, the slide curls using that iron, and wear it flat, I want to make sure before I comb out or do anything that all of the hair has a good little polish to it, right? Breaking up the curls. So many ways to style out, like finish style your short hair after you add a little bump to it. Y'all want me to do some videos on different ways you can style out your hair, then tell me in the comments below. I'm just using a little comb out comb to add some detail around the front. The bulk of the foundation for the style is created in the mold. Y'all see that I did not curl too much on those pieces that I had kind of added a little direction with in my mold, because I want to be able to just comb into them and still have them, you know, have some variation to them. In previous videos, I have showed y'all some of the ways that I camouflage the finer hair. So I am not combing through the curls so much. I am using the ends of the comb to just move the hair so it lays on top of each other, so I don't have a bunch of scalp showing.
Like this bang part to set, so I'm gonna just create that with the iron. Face framing, little soft notes.
Actually going to, I know this sounds crazy, but this is what I do because I really just want the sheen, the silkiness of curling my hair. So what I'm gonna do is put on a scarf over my whole head so that it flattens it even a little bit more. Then I can kind of go in and just make it look slightly tousled with my fingers. I'm going to put my scarf on, go get myself together, and I'll show y'all what I mean. I'll be back. All right, y'all, so here's the finished look. I finished everything else I had to do, and while I did that, I just tied my scarf, as I showed y'all, down flat. It gives my hair the look of it being curled, but it's still flat, which I really like a lot. I like the just the shape of it. It's super simple. I am a pixie girl. Pixie meaning super short. I like a micro pixie, and because I am growing my hair out just a little bit so that I can do some videos and content on using the new Pixie-Ish irons, I still want to fake the look of my micro pixie, even though I got more length than I really prefer to have. So this is the way I do it. I'll curl it, give it that bump, sleek slide curl look, and then I just tie my scarf down so that it's not too curly and it still gives me a flat look. Now after I get a day or so of wearing it flat, I'll just go in with the Pixie Polish, break it down in my hands, and just give it a little tousled look, but still trying to keep my sides and back looking as flat as they can. I do that just by each night wrapping them up with let me show y'all the wrap. Each night I'll preserve that sleek, kind of shorter than it actually is look by using my edge wrap just to tie down my sides and back. I leave the top out. Either I'll finger style it or something super simple, but this is how I'm using the Pixie-Ish Micro iron to keep my hair pulled together, polished, looking slick, even though I got more length than I really want right now. If you guys are interested in checking out any of the Pixie-Ish products, you can just check the description below. If you're interested in booking an appointment with me, you can look in the description below. I will also share all of that information. If you have questions about maintaining your short hair or about any of our products, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. So until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Stay pulled together and polished, hopefully with Pixie-Ish, but however you do it, keep it together, sis. Talk to y'all later.